Become self-made millionaires while others work hard their entire lives, but never achieve financial freedom? The answer isn't luck. It isn't where they were born, and it isn't always about earning the highest salary. More often than not, it's about the habits they practice every single day. Self-made millionaires don't think differently because they're rich. They become rich because they think differently. Today we're going to explore the 7 habits that many financially successful people have in common. Let's begin. The first habit is continuous learning. Successful people never stop improving themselves. They read books, listen to podcasts, learn new skills, and stay curious about the world. They understand that the greatest investment they'll ever make is in their own knowledge. Because the more you learn, the more opportunities you create. The second habit is paying yourself first. Instead of spending everything they earn, they save and invest before paying for unnecessary wants. Even a small amount invested consistently can grow significantly over time, thanks to compound growth. The third habit is thinking long-term. Most people want quick results. Millionaires focus on building wealth slowly and steadily. They know that patience often beats chasing shortcuts. The fourth habit is creating multiple income streams. Depending on a single paycheck can be risky. That's why financially successful people often build additional sources of income through investments, businesses, dividends, or other long-term assets. More income streams can provide greater financial stability over time. The fifth habit is avoiding bad debt. Not all debt is the same. High-interest consumer debt can slow financial progress. Successful people work to manage debt carefully and avoid paying unnecessary interest whenever possible. The sixth habit is setting clear financial goals. Every successful journey begins with a plan. Millionaires know exactly what they're working toward. They track their savings, monitor their investments, and review their progress regularly. Small improvements every day eventually become extraordinary results. And finally, the seventh habit is consistency. Building wealth doesn't happen overnight. It happens through small, smart decisions repeated over many years. Saving regularly, investing patiently, learning continuously, and staying disciplined even when progress feels slow. Remember, financial success isn't reserved for a lucky few. Many people build wealth by developing better habits over time. The choices you make today can shape your financial future tomorrow. So ask yourself, which one of these 7 habits will you start practicing today? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about personal finance, investing, and building long-term wealth. Thank you for watching. And remember, small habits create big wealth. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. There's one thing that separates dreamers from achievers: action. Reading about success won't change your life. Watching motivational videos won't build wealth. Only consistent action will. Start small. Save a little more. Spend a little wiser. Learn something new every day. Invest regularly. Stay patient. Remember, every self-made millionaire was once a beginner. They didn't become wealthy overnight. They simply refused to quit. 5 years from now, your future self will either thank you or wish you had started today. The choice is yours. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about money, investing, and financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.